At Seoul Baking Company here inside the JW Marriott. This is right in front of the Cheonggyecheon, which is like the river that runs through Seoul. Today we stopped by here, although a little bit unconventional for one of my videos, but I decided to come here to get some breakfast. And what better way to get breakfast than eating delicious baked goods? So as you guys can see, all of our baked goods got delivered. This here is a red bean bun. We have the matcha version of it and a blueberry muffin. We have a chocolate, open, I don't know French. We got an almond croissant and a regular croissant as well. So we're gonna go ahead and dig into all of these delicious items. What's first? What is first? Here's a red bean bun. You can split it in half so we can share this bad boy. Ooh. This is made fresh every day. This bread is great. And I don't taste any like artificial sweetening here. The sweetness is just coming straight from the bean. I would have to say this is probably the best red bean bun I've ever had. It's not like mind-blowing or anything, but it is really good. We're gonna dig in for the next item here. It's the matcha. Oh, there's actually cream in here. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, okay. That is a very strong matcha cream. There's actually a matcha cream and red bean inside this bun. This is pretty darn delicious. Let's go for the regular croissant. See what this is like. It's very flaky, very crispy. This is beautiful. Watery, a little bit sweet, crispy, flaky. Basically everything you want in a really good croissant. We're gonna cut into this almond croissant here. Chop that in half. There seems to be something inside here. Not sure what it is as of yet. Still not sure what it is, but this one's really good too. All right, so next we're gonna tackle this, the chocolate. That just looks phenomenal. The actual bread itself is not like extremely chocolatey, which I kind of like. I don't like too much chocolate for a morning bread. Okay. So that is a very rich chocolate. Definitely a milk chocolate, not a dark chocolate. Actually, no. There's a little bit of a mixture of both, actually. But it's not overbearing, it's not too sweet. This will go perfectly with my Americano. Staple coffee of Korea, honestly. The Americano. This chocolate bread, this Americano. Match made in heaven. And a little bite of the bread. A little sip of the coffee. That is a beautiful muffin. Wow. Just look at that. Beautiful, real blueberries, not fake blueberries. Oh. Honestly, that's not even a muffin. This is like a sponge cake. This is like a sponge cake muffin here. This is fantastic. Again, not overly sweet. The blueberry flavor is really coming out. I'm really impressed. This is a darn good muffin. Nothing tastes like it's been processed in a factory. Of course, because everything's handmade here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this. I'll meet you guys outside. All right, we are outside now. Thank you all so much for joining me on that food adventure for today. This episode of Bubby Eats. This place was actually one of the top 5 bakeries in Seoul. I can see why it's number 5, just because it was amazing. But honestly, if this was number 5, I can't even imagine what number 1 would be like. I'm pretty full on bread now. All the carbs are kind of expanding in my stomach, so I need to go walk it off. Again, thank you all so much for joining me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos, any new Bubby Eats adventures. And until the next video, stay hungry, my friends.